Taluka level meeting of headmasters held in Telhara. A meeting of headmasters from Jilha Parishad and private schools in Telhara, Akola, was organized by the Panchayat Samiti at late Narmadabai Bodkhe College of Education. The meeting was addressed by Ratnamala Khadke, Principal of District Education and Training Institute, and Dinesh Dutande, Block Education Officer, Telhara Panchayat Samiti. Dr. Gopal Dhole, Principal of Dr. Gopalrao Khedkar College, was also present on the occasion. Principal Ratnamala Khadke briefed the headmasters about the National Achievement Survey (NAS) to be conducted on December 4 across the country. She explained the reasons behind conducting this survey every 3 years. Khadke said that the NAS aims to assess the health of the education system in the country. It helps to identify areas that require improvement and provides guidelines for enhancing educational outcomes. The survey covers students from Standard 3rd, 6th, and 9th in schools under the central government. The results help to evaluate the educational health of the district and the state. Khadke appealed to the headmasters to guide their schools to achieve excellent results in the NAS, thereby contributing to the overall improvement of educational standards in the district. In view of the upcoming test, Dr. Suchita Patekar, Education Officer of the Secondary Education Department, and Ratan Singh Pawar, Education Officer of the Primary Education Department, have issued instructions regarding the administration of the test in the selected schools. The schools where the test will be conducted will operate from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The officers have directed that the attendance of students in these schools should be 100% and that teachers should be present in school for the entire duration without taking any leave. These instructions have been communicated through a circular. The officers have directed that the attendance of students in these schools should be 100% and that teachers should be present in school for the entire duration without taking any leave. These instructions have been communicated through a circular. Prime Media brings you this news. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.